Hello guys, so today I am going to be trying two different Gorilla Tag fan-made games. But yeah, let's go. So the first one I want to do is Bird Runners. Okay. Let's see how this is. Ooh, I like the little birdie. It's cute. Oh, ew! That just scared me. Wait a minute. Why is there... Oh, okay. And there's, oh, wait. Wait. This is... Wait. I want to try something. I can spam it. There's Jamie and Curly. Okay, he's playing the mobile, game, Gorilla Tag game. Okay. What do I do here? The ball's rolling away. Great. It's very good. Okay. Wait, is there anything behind my back? Oh my god, wait, what?
Hello, and
Wait,
welcome
what?
to Bird Runners. This short tutorial will go through the basics of the game.
You can't wall run? Oh my god. Okay. Guess we gotta go in there. There's no other way.
This game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
Okay, wait. Whee! I'm flying. This actually feels realistic. I have no idea why. Just hopping on the paintings, I guess. Whee! Okay, I think I heard you that this
game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
This is getting a bit annoying. We're just gonna put it
This
here.
concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please press the button on the table over there.
Okay. So do not create any creepy things about this game because it's not right. Okay. Where are my arms? If you can't see, connect. It's not working. It's just not working. Can I be white? I want to be white. Okay. Name. I can't see my hands, so I'm just gonna... Okay. Okay, that is not available, okay. And I am currently invisible. That is not fun. Okay. I'm currently flying. I want to fly out of the map. I want to see if that's possible. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. No. I can't pitch climb that, it's too big. Okay, so I see beach, floors, lava, and whatever that is. Let's go check it out. Oh my god. Guess we'll just have to go. Flappy Bird. Oh, wait. Is this actually Flappy Bird? Oh, wait a minute. Oh my god. Okay, I can't see my hands, but let's try it. Okay. Oh my god. No! Okay. I guess that went wrong. That's Flappy Bird. Okay, what's over there? No, I don't want to go that way. Oh, this game. Okay. Apparently this has no label, so don't tell me this is something creepy. Oh my god, don't tell me. What is this? This is cosmetics. Okay. Okay. That's just fun. Okay. Oh, is this oh yeah, these are cosmetics. And don't know what I want. I want the party hat. Can I click it? Let me click it. Apparently I can't get cosmetics. How is that fun? Huh. Wait. I like this one. I guess I can't get stuff. Okay, let's just go into the next game. Okay, so the next game is Cube Runners. Let's do that. I like the smiley face. It's a cute smiley face with the nice little eyes. Got to wait. Oh my god. Why is the music so loud? Just gonna turn the volume down a bit. I can't. What? I can't go far away from it either. Can't go around it. Okay. QB, you're loading. Okay. Okay, start. Okay. Go press the exit button. Okay. Okay. Ugh, I'm so ugly and disgusting. And terrifying. Something's happening. I'm glitching. Oh, hello. Hello.
I'm Bull from server
Hello.
1. I mean server 2.
Hello.
Can't join there.
This is my first time in this game. What do you do here? What do you do here?
1, 2, 3. Guys, join the code 1, 2, 3. Because some skinwalkers I lost my tracking because that's the code 1, 2, 3. Supposed to be in 1, 2, 3.
Bro, someone lost so bad they're out of the map.
It's not scary. You wanna play horror mode? You guys wanna play horror mode? You guys wanna play horror mode?
No.
Shut up.
Okay, I'm gonna code 1, 2, 3 apparently. Okay guys, so things weren't really working for me, and let's just play a game. Survival. I wanna see what this is like. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. The water's rising so fast. No, oh wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. Let's try space now that we've tried that one. Oh my god, okay. How am I gonna get back up? Oh my god, I almost fell into there. That's terrifying. Okay. This is already giving me creepy vibes. Even look at my hands, look at my hands. Okay. This is already terrifying, no. Oh no, this is low gravity. Okay. Okay. Cube Runners 1.